My name is Refiloe Motau from Lahleni bolts. We are retailers and suppliers of fasteners, bolts, nuts and washers, a range of hand tools and mechanical components. We've been in the industry for over half a decade. I think it's every SMME's dream to be part of a well-known company. So when the opportunity came, it was just a no-brainer. We applied and yeah, we were expecting, to be quite honest, we were expecting funding and opportunities to supply to Babcock, but now, yeah, what we got was more than what we expected. When we had a conversation with Mr. France and how we must just look beyond our borders and try to tap into Africa as a whole. You know, when you don't know certain things, and when they come, you have your aha moment. So when we spoke about the customer relations management system, it's something that we never thought of, that you have to have a proper system to interact with your customers. So yeah, having that system has played a huge role in the company. So yeah, that was one of the things that we learned. Has prepared me a lot because there's so many elements that we've learned, and all of them were tailor-made, and you had to just fit your company in whatever tool that was given to us. Mr. Toko spoke about diversifying, and being a hardware store, it made us think outside the hardware store, like being online, selling online, or manufacturing your own tools, and so yeah, diversifying is one of the tools that we are taking. I'm planning to use the tools. Currently, we going on and trying to get funding for manufacturing, and it's something that was not on our plans currently. But the fact that it can be done with the business plans that we've submitted, it has prepared me to say now take a stand and move. So within 12 months, we are planning on manufacturing. One, necessary, beneficial, and worth your while.